Hello, most welcome to again my YouTube channel. Like the latest game available now, Unblock sliding block puzzle game. So this is so easy and nice game, and you will be enjoy, and you will get your reward. Be easily. I will give you best tricks how to be completed. No fast, like be easy mode, normal, hard, super, nightmare, extreme mode. How to complete now, so I will teach you. So be carefully watching this video and don't miss this video and don't skip this video, because I will teach you how to complete it, this all of modes. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm so hard for you working now, and I will find for you best tricks for you. You will be easily completed this game. So let's start. Click here now. This game you will be completed in 6 days, like be 139 like with 6 stocks now. So you will be last. Click here now. I will like we download this game, and I will click here now. So let's start now this game. Like be easy, normal, hard, super hard, night mode, like be many levels, like be counting now. Maybe like be 3000 this game level, maybe 3000 above. So I will be normally click now. Okay, first of all I will click here now. You will be click here now. No, here be like this. This type now, and you will be easily be completing your levels. Be first, I will teach you how to complete your level first now. You will be here like this, and you will be here now. Now here be you will see like we easily to complete it now. Here be like this. Here be like here be like this. This is not good. You will be here now. We see here now. We easily like this completed now gone. So I hope you understand now how to complete this game level. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video.